Find a comfortable position, either sitting or lying down, where your body feels supported and safe. Allow your eyes to gently close, or soften your gaze if that feels better for you. There is nothing you need to accomplish in this moment. Nothing you need to improve. Just notice that you are here. Begin by bringing your attention to your breath. Not to change it, not to control it, but simply to observe it. Feel the natural rhythm of your breathing as it moves in and out of your body. Each breath is an invitation to soften. Each exhale allows a little more tension to leave. If your mind begins to wander, that is not a problem. You are not doing this wrong. Gently guide your attention back to the sound of my voice. Back to the steady flow of your breath. There is no failure here. Only returning. For many people, the idea of meditation comes with a hidden belief that something needs fixing. That if you were calmer, more focused, more disciplined, then you would finally be enough. Today, we are setting that belief down. Take a slow breath in through your nose and release it slowly through your mouth. As you exhale, imagine letting go of the pressure to be better than you are right now. You are not broken. You do not need repair. You are human, and that is enough. Notice any areas of your body that feel tight or guarded. Perhaps your shoulders, your jaw, your chest, or your stomach. These places often hold the weight of self-criticism and expectation. Without forcing anything, simply allow these areas to soften as you breathe. You may have spent years trying to fix yourself, analyzing your thoughts, correcting your behavior, holding yourself to standards that never seem to rest. If so, acknowledge that effort with compassion. You were trying to survive. You were trying to be safe. Now, gently remind yourself, I do not need to fix myself in this moment. I am allowed to be as I am. Let these words land softly, without argument. Even if part of you resists them, that resistance is welcome too. Bring your attention back to your breath. Feel the rise of your chest, the gentle expansion of your body, and the release as you exhale. Each breath is proof that your body already knows how to take care of itself. Imagine setting down a heavy toolbox you have been carrying for years. Inside are tools labeled self-judgment, comparison, and perfectionism. You do not need these tools right now. You can come back to them later if you choose. For now, allow your hands to be empty. Notice the space that opens when you stop trying to fix yourself. There may be relief. There may be discomfort. There may be nothing at all. Whatever you notice is valid. There is no correct experience. If emotions arise, allow them to be present without labeling them as good or bad. You do not need to understand them. You do not need to make them go away. Simply notice them, as you would notice clouds passing through the sky. Bring a sense of kindness to your inner voice. If you notice self-critical thoughts, see if you can respond with gentleness instead of correction. You might silently say, "Thank you for trying to protect me. I am safe right now." Feel the support beneath you, the surface holding your body without judgment. Allow yourself to receive that support. You do not have to hold yourself up all the time. As we near the end of this meditation, take a moment to acknowledge yourself. Not for doing this perfectly, but for showing up at all. That is enough. When you are ready, begin to bring your awareness back to the room around you. Notice any sounds, any sensations, any gentle movement in your body. Carry this sense of permission with you. The permission to be human, to rest, and to stop fixing what was never broken. Take one final slow breath in and release it. this meditation is complete.
Welcome back.